Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Yesterday we are discussing about swing trading level for Bharti Airtel. By the help of swing trading tool, decision point tool, we got two levels 380.20 and 371.30. Let's see how it's worked. So we marked 380.20 and 371. Market open in between this level. This is the market opening candle. This one is the market opening candle. This is the opening candle. So once it's trying to break out at the first, but it's failed, then it comes down again. Here it's just trying to break this level, but here it's breaking. So our buy is activated, but stop loss is hit. It comes down, and the second time once it's break, it goes up. So this second breakout is very important in century testers also. The first time it just break out and goes up, and again once it's break, it comes down. So as per my view observation, the second breakout is more effective and strong. Okay, and some subscriber asked me about they have this TradingView Pro version, but they didn't get this MetaTrader Pro predictor. Actually, it's a paid tool. If you want it, you just click this one here, indicator and strategies, and there you can see marketplace add-on. There you can find MT in predictor and $149 per month. It's a expensive one. I'm using trial version. During this period I'm just checking the accuracy of this indicator. That's why every day I'm making videos. 18 days left, so those days I will make this video, so we know about the indicator accuracy. Okay, today we are going to check with another stock, CIPLA. It show a good movement. That's why we are going to find the decision point level of CIPLA. Let's see. Okay, we got a buy decision point at 443.50. Sell decision at 443 level. These are the two levels we got it for CIPLA. So if market is open in between this level, we just watch the breakout. Okay. Okay, let's observe for few days, then we know about the accuracy of this indicator. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.